Hello everyone, I, Lakshya Bhatt, along with Shubham Joshi, am here to discuss about online analytical processing. Today, we are going to cover the following topics: Introduction of OLAP, History of OLAP, OLAP Cube, OLAP operations, Types of OLAP, Advantages and disadvantages of OLAP. OLAP, that is online analytical processing, is computer processing that enables a user to easily and selectively extract and view data from different points of view. OLAP also allows users to analyze database information from multiple database systems at one time. History of OLAP. In 1993, EF Cord came up with the term online analytical processing and proposed 12 criteria to define an OLAP database. The term OLAP seems perfect to describe databases designed to facilitate decision making analysis in an organization. The first product that performed OLAP queries was Express, which was released in 1970 and later acquired by Oracle in 1995 from Information Resources. The following figure shows the basic working of OLAP. The data warehouse is a centralized collection of all the data an organization has. That data will obviously have multiple sources. Sources can be the enterprise management system, customer management system, and even the legacy files that the company has since its inception. After the processing of data is available in the data warehouse, we obtain OLAP cubes. As per the requirements of the clients, they send their corresponding application queries. The application queries can be sent by a front-end user, a data analyst affiliated to the parent organization, or even the CEO of the company. An OLAP cube is a data structure that allows fast analysis of data. The arrangement of data into cubes overcomes a limitation of relational databases. The OLAP cube consists of numeric facts called measures, which are categorized by dimensions. An OLAP cube is a multi-dimensional database that is optimized for data warehouse and OLAP applications. Although it stores data like a traditional database does, an OLAP cube is structured very differently. Databases historically are designed according to the requirements of the IT system that use them. OLAP cubes, however, are used by business users for advanced analytics. Thus, OLAP cubes are designed using business logic and understanding. They are optimized for analytical purposes, so they can report on millions of records at a time. There are different kinds of operations which we can perform in OLAP: roll up, drill down, slice, dice, pivot, drill across, drill through. Drill down and roll up. Roll up. Roll up gives a summarized view of the entire data. The transactional level data is hidden and aggregated data is showcased. It is typically used by executors to have a look at the overall view. Drill down. It gives a detailed view of the database. It is an approach that shows the transactional level data. It is typically used by the data analyst to identify patterns in data. As you can see here in the roll-up operation, we have given a summarized view of the locations. Previously, there were cities in a country, but due to the roll-up operation, we can have a look at the same data with respect to countries. Similarly, in the drill down operation, the time axis is divided furthermore to have a more detailed look at each of the months.
Slice and dice. Slice performs a selection on one dimension of the given cube. It sets one or more dimensions to specific values and keeps a subset of dimension for selected values. Dice defines a subcube by performing a selection of one or more dimensions. It refers to a range select condition on one dimension or to select condition on more than one dimension. It reduces the number of member values of one or more dimensions. Here we can see that the dice operation provides a very small multi-dimensional view by providing a subcube of the given OLAP cube. The slice operation selects one particular dimension from the cube and provides the user with the subcube. Pivot. With the pivot operation, we can rotate the coordinate axis of the data present. It helps us to render a different perspective to the available data for easier data analysis. Drill across and drill through. Drill across accesses more than one fact table that is linked by common dimensions. It combines cubes that share one or more dimensions. Drill through. Drill down to the bottom level of a data cube down to its backend relational tables. The MOLAP model. MOLAP stands for multi-dimensional OLAP. They are specialized multi-dimensional databases which are used for data analysis. They have a fixed data structure to process multi-dimensional analysis on a standard data set of data storage coordinates. They are large multi-dimensional arrays from the storage structure. The ROLAP model. ROLAP stands for Relational OLAP. Here, the data is stored in the form of rows and columns in relational form. It does a good job in hiding storage structures and present data in multiple dimensions. It also supports summarizations and aggregations. Here are the applications of OLAP. It is used in financial applications as activity-based costing and in budgeting. Under marketing and sales application, they are used in market research analysis, sales forecasting, promotion analysis, customer analysis, and market or customer segmentation. In business modeling, they are used to simulate business behavior, extensive and real-time decision support system for managers. They are also used in data analysis and mining, consumer goods industries, and database marketing. Advantages of OLAP. Consistency of information and calculations. Is tightly coupled with browser and compiled code, thus improved performance. It allows a manager to pull down data from an OLAP database in broad or specific terms. OLAP also creates a single platform for all the information and business needs, planning, budgeting, forecasting, reporting, and analysis. Disadvantages of OLAP. Pre-modeling. It has a great dependence on IT. It can be slow in reacting. There can be potential security problems and DLL glitches. Sometimes they can give platform limitations with dynamic HTML. There can be long load times, and that can be problematic with old browsers. So from today's discussion, we can conclude that OLAP is a significant improvement over query systems. OLAP is an interactive system to show different summaries of multidimensional data by interactively selecting the attributes in a multidimensional data cube. OLAP has historical, summarized, integrated, and consolidated data. Thank you.